Hello guys, let's move on to the next topic. Next topic natin ngayon is yung trigonometry. So kung nakikita nyo dito, merong guide kayo dito kung saan mahanap nyo yung derivative ng kamakasay na to. So, negative cosine is equal to sine, cosine is equal to negative sine, cosecant is equal to negative cosecant, cotangent. Cotangent is equal to cosecant squared. Tangent is equal to secant squared, and secant is equal to secant tangent, and sine is equal to cosine. So, bigay tayo ng problem. So, gamitin natin yung power rule. Problem. Sabihin natin, ito, y is equal to negative cosine 2x times sine 2x. So, product rule to siya. So, ang gagamitin natin dito ng formula sa product rule is yung dy over dx is equal to u, derivative of u times v plus u derivative of v. So, hanapin natin dito ngayon yung kung saan dito yung v. Ito yung u, ito yung v. Then, ang derivative ng each function. Sabihin natin yung u, ang derivative ng u ay derivative ng u yung cos. So, sine, negative sine, negative ito. Ano na? 2 sine 2x. Yung derivative ng v na v, derivative ng v is yung negative cosine 2x. 2x. Ito. So, nahanap natin mga derivative ng x function na ito. So, i-apply natin sa formula. So, yung formula natin na derivative of u times v plus u derivative of v. So, derivative ng u na 2 sine 2x times yung v na sine 2x plus u, the u cos 2x times derivative of v, the negative cosine 2x. So, ngayon na-apply natin sa formula, i-times na natin siya. So, 2 sine of 2x times sine 2x is equal to dy over dx or 2 sine squared 2x plus next na cos of 2x times negative cosine 2x is equal to negative 2 cos squared 2x. So, ngayon na-solve na natin, i-simplify na natin siya. So, simplify dy over dx equal to, so, 2 sine squared 2x minus 2 cos squared 2x is equal to negative 2 cos sine 4x. Ito na yung final answer niya. Thank you.